You know who it is? It's Esther. And this time I'll be teaching you guys how to moonwalk. I probably should have done this before when teaching routines, but I'm wearing 2 different coloured socks. So like, this one's like purple with grey, and this one's like red with black and white. And this will help to know which foot I'm using. So okay, this is my right foot, yeah, right leg. This is the left foot. I have people, they'll be in my comments saying, you don't know left and right, so I do. The camera flips, okay? So, the right foot, you're going to be on your toe. Your left foot is going to be flat. You're going to push your left foot back, so slide it. Then switch. So now, your left foot is on, you're now on your toes on your left foot, and your right foot is flat now. And you're going to slide your right foot. Okay? And you keep switching, So, let's do it again. Right foot is toe, left foot's flat. Left foot slides. You switch. Now, the left foot is on the toe and the right foot's flat. You slide, switch. So, ultimately, you're going to moonwalk. To make the move look better, you use your arms. So let me say. And to make it look even better, use your head. So you know how Michael Jackson will do his head like forward, back, so it's like, and you can kind of turn it. Yeah, you get me. So that's it basically. If you have any questions, any comments of note, DM me. Thank you.